would check that and then copy his latest chart, because if he's doing an update, he's going to post the latest chart.
That's what I did. Okay.
So that's
I copied
what I would do. And like with this one, I think there was 2 setups. One was a little more aggressive than the other. I chose this one.
But you don't have to go and create a new alert and all that, right? You just...
No, so this is what I do, like...
or a new signal in ClearEdge, I mean.
Here's my Ninja signal, right? I just click the edit button, the little gear cog here.
Yeah.
And then condition, there'll be, like, if there's a new setting, I just go to the one on the bottom. That's the new one.
Got it. Okay. That helps me.
That's it.
Thank you. What's up, Casey?
What's up, guys?
What's up?
I'm down to runners on the SPX Iron Condor at 70%.
Let's go. I was thinking about you in this chop. I'm like, those condors are cooking.
We haven't moved in like 3 hours since entry, so yeah, Condor is cooking. We're about to get hit with a nasty storm.
Whoa. I did not see that. 900 lot filled on ES at 6707. I looked away. I was looking at Airbnbs. Dang it. That same pair straight set up again, though. So we'll try that again. Oh, hey, KC, by the way. Good to finally see you, hear your voice again. I feel like it's been a week.
What's up, gang?
Gang, gang.
Gang, gang. I know. How was the zoo?
The zoo was awesome, dude. That zoo was... And it was free.
Like so much fun.
It was legit, huh?
The only thing you had to pay for was the bathrooms, because that's how they do stuff in Mexico.
Interesting. Make you pay for the baño, huh?
Yeah, like it was like 6 pesos.
Interesting.
That's how it is at like most of the places you stop to, like stopping at gas or anything, like you have to pay.
Interesting.
But it's like, no. It's like 30 cents. I mean,
yeah. No, yeah, it's nothing.
There's another 1,000 lots sitting on ES.
I'm in a silver trade now.
Ooh. Oh, it just shorted, huh? Just took that. Is that telling you that you need an update on that one?
Yep. But he didn't update silver on new silver chart, so I didn't bother updating it.
Yeah.
So this one's looking for $84.74 half, so 25 cents. Essentially a retest of low of the day. definitely don't run this setup in anything less than 150K account, and probably 150K
Yeah.
account it needs to be ran either by itself or with very small size of something else.
I feel like you could just blindly trade NQ or ES off of just looking at the oil chart. You could just inverse it, just blindly trade it. I'm in that same pair straight round 3. See if it works.
Mhm.
Jordan, can you guys see that on my screen? Oh no.
We can only see your silver screen right now.
Change. Hold on. I'm gonna show you this new feature for ClearEdge.
Yeah.
So this is, you can now share.
Oh, I like that.
Oh yeah.
Wait,
So
where do I
I'm-
find that?
It's in the beta version.
Okay, got it.
But so we've made these like 200 templates. So we've been playing with them to see which ones we want to keep.
Yeah.
So like there's some.
Oh, that's cool. You can. Oh, there's so many different like.
Yeah, a lot of these are gonna go on. We'll probably have like 10 of them. I'm trying to find the Mortal Kombat one.
There's a Mortal Kombat one.
Yeah.
We need.
Mortal Kombat.
We need.
Finish him.
Yeah. Well, there's one to like, oh yeah, the casino one.
Oh yeah, we like that. Total winnings, bankroll. Like that.
So
My power went out.
I've been going through all of these to see which ones we like, which ones
That's
we don't
cool.
like.
Oh, it's like storming there then, Casey.
Yeah. Yeah. Everything just shut off and quickly came back on. But
Look at this one.
Oh my god, sir, this is so
we're getting a
nice.
tornado.
The
That's
dumpster
so-
portfolio.
Dude, that's
Sir,
awesome.
this is a Wendy's.
It's hilarious. What's up, Walter, in the chat? We are making some money. It's been a great day. Great day of Munyon.
Financial Times. So I've just been going through and trying to find which ones we want to keep. Some of them are really stupid. Trying to find the Mortal Kombat one. I don't know where it is. I'm definitely going to keep the Mortal Kombat one. I sort of like the Sir, This Is a Wendy's one. I like that.
That's my
good.
favorite one.
That's good. Smart is stuck still. He ain't doing shit.
I just posted a screenshot of the last of the SPX position. Just runners, 3 contracts left. They're up 70%. Just leaving them to expire for full profit. Not going to touch those unless something crazy happens to where SPX moves 100 points within the next hour and a half.
Which could happen.
Stonks. That's good.
You guys making any money? Made a little money.
$11.82 apparently.
Yeah.
Yeah, dude. You get
Cruising.
two 4 for 4s with tax. Little windy
Maybe
Maybe a
Haven't
joke.
been to
cone.
Wendy's in
Maybe
a
a
while.
cone.
I don't even. Yeah, you might get the ice
Maybe a
cream
cone after. You have some left for that.
I want a Frosty.
Get a little frosty. Dip your fries in it.
Come on, where the hell is the... There's a Super Mario one I like too.
I saw Smooth post that one.
This is a good one. Dumpster fire.
Everything's fine.
That's what it's called, dumpster fire. Everything is
Total
fine.
damage.
So many stupid ones.
Top of the same range again. The amount of upper
Sure,
weights on
the
this thing,
casino.
so like if this
That's
thing actually
perfect.
breaks, this dies.
Burger flipper job application. Oh, here it is.
Oh yeah. Market trader. I like that.
And then you can copy it. You can set it up so that if you don't want this account on it, you can get rid of all of these other, like if you just want to show one account, you can put your affiliate code on it or take it off.
Mm.
So yeah, that's a cool feature, but you'll be able to see your live P&L here. We're working on pulling it from Tradeovate, but we can pull it from Rhythmic. We can pull it from Top Step. See, like it shows the unrealized profit and loss because that means it's in a trade. Oh,
Yeah.
I am in a gold trade apparently too.
Did silver hit TP? Or
No,
did it stop out?
nope, it's in profit. So is
Okay.
gold. So we got to go through and select a bunch of those templates.
It's still on your clear edge. Oh, there we go. Gotcha. Come on, silver.
That's gold.
Oh,
Gold
it's
got
gold.
into another
Oh, it's
trade.
back in another gold. Love it.
IWM slightly stronger than spine Qs.
Do something crazy. We need a headline, or we're just gonna keep playing ping pong.
Oh no, I'm about to go have a beer and then go take the golf cart out for a ride in the middle of this storm.
Yeah, that's a good idea on the first day.
That sounds like a fun afternoon. Look how dark it just got in my office.
Bro, you need a light, man.
I got lights. I just don't have nothing turned on. I need to turn this one on at least. Turn the Edison light on. No, I fucking hate having that light on. No, we don't get snowstorms around here. We just get hurricanes.
Hurricane?
Like 30 minutes ago, it was like 76 and full sun. Now it's cloudy and 40-mile-an-hour winds.
Oof.
Like out of freaking nowhere. You're expecting 27 inches of snow by Monday?
Yeah, somewhere in some places in the upper Midwest are. I heard.
Oh,
I mean, I
Jesus.
supposed to have snow on the ground. It's been 70 degrees here the last couple of days. We had so much, Casey. I've never seen. I mean, I've lived here my whole life. I've never seen so much snow. First time I've been able to see grass at my house for months. Yeah, you should get a generator, Casey. It's one of the best things I ever did. I don't
We
have.
have one.
I don't have a like Generac. I have a portable one, but I have a
That's what we got. We got a portable Honda
I have a
generator.
switch in my basement that like a sub panel. Yeah,
I don't think
Tommy, mine does my fridge, my oven, my heat, my hot water. Come on, give me the TP. We hit TP. I'm going to nap.
previous week low again on SPY. Ejection every time.
I agree. It is a must, Tommy. Especially where I live. We don't have any prayer of getting put back on and within a couple of days. So. Ooh, we're about to get one on gold again, I think, here, Jordy.
Baby.
I might manually close this one. We're close enough. Yeah, I am.
When you manually close, you
Mhm.
don't have to turn off your alerts anymore, huh? It'll just
Not anymore.
it won't take it on the opposite side now. It's beautiful.
I did it on I'm closing on my funded accounts right now. I'm gonna leave it on my evals. Good close there. No, because there's essentially our system sends a flattened. Yeah, closing manual defeats automation. Yeah, I guess whatever.
Yeah, but what if you didn't? What if you
I'm
didn't take
really
the entry
close
though?
I'm really close to payout on a couple of accounts, and I'd rather just take the money if I'm a couple of ticks away from it. What's the difference going to be? $30 or a loss? You know, I'm happy to take $30 less. Yeah, I don't often do that actually. I just let it go. But I'm like $400 from a payout on a couple of 150K accounts, so I'm just trying to get there.
Dude, ES looks bad. Looks Looks like we want to roll here into the close.
Yeah, I wouldn't run a generator in my basement. It's
All right. Bottom of the range long again. Wait. Somebody's gonna give up eventually.
not necessarily. Maybe tomorrow.
Maybe not maybe not today.
All right, I might call it a day here. I was trying to see if silver would.
Just a little choppy chop.
Yeah. And gold is still in my evals. It's still getting close. But this action's lulling me to sleep.
That's what they want to do.
Who's they?
You know the boogeyman.
The market boogeyman.
Yeah, you know the
There's
hedge
always a
funds,
they,
the hedges,
you know?
the institutions, the market
hedge-
makers.
hedge
You know
The bad guys.
the guys that
Ken
just they can
Griffin.
see your
And
they can see your
Griffin's sitting over there like they're
Yeah.
all falling asleep on the wolf stream.
right now. It's Jane Street. They can see the stop on
Yeah.
your sim funded account.
Oh, is that why I see
on your
nothing for
funded
anymore?
fucking prop paper account.
Yeah.
What was the reason that ICT said it doesn't work anymore? Because
The algo. They changed the algo.
oh, they changed the algo. I hate when they do that.
Damn it.
That really throws a wrench into the whole operation.
For those that don't know, he was rage baiting people saying that, by the way.
Oh, okay.
He always is.
He wasn't
His
legit
entire-
serious. It's
Was
all
he-
rage bait.
Was he?
His entire thing is
was
a
he
rage
off his
bait.
meds?
Yeah.
Have you ever, Jordan? I'm sure you have. His list goes like Saturday morning rant streams.
Oh yeah, I'm on. I go on stream with him and or on Spaces with him and Kit, who's one of my boys all the time. Yeah, it's great. In the evenings, we'll go on Spaces, we'll chat, talk setups that happened that day. It's fun. It's a great time. Sometimes he'll do some that are by himself, and it's the Saturday ICT rant, dude. Those are great. I love those.
Yeah, those are the ones that I've tuned into, like the absolute unhinged rants.
Oh, I love them.
See, we got a whole bunch of orders down here at 6:05 again. Are we gonna go visit these, or are we just gonna bounce off the same spot? Yes, I be low again.
Yeah, what's his name? my boy Kit, his name on X is literally, what is it? It's literally ICT underscore concepts. He hosts a lot of spaces. I've been hanging out with him. He's a G. They have some good spaces.
One thing I've never gotten into is the ICT stuff. A lot of people get into it. I mean, I think my position on it is any strategy that gives people some sort of structure to how they trade
Bingo.
is
I do like that part a lot.
is productive. Now, he didn't make it up. It's strategies that have been around for a very long time. The words and the verbiage and stuff like that, it's just made it so that it's understandable for people, I think.
I think it makes it harder.
I mean, I think the concepts, it makes it more vague, I think. But it does give people some sort of definition to how they trade, which is a good thing, right? I can't knock that. I think that sort of the cultish nature of it can be a little bizarre, but yeah, I think overall there's a lot.
Everybody's cultish, though, you know. Like,
I think there's a lot of people that have
I think
benefited
everybody's
from-
guilty of it. It's like there's
Yeah, I
one
think
guy
it-
that's like
I think-
cultish about EMAs and one guy that's cultish about ICT or whatever, you know.
But they both can be.
It's like-
I mean, EMAs.
They both can kill it. Like, it doesn't matter.
EMAs. There's some.
I didn't find a lick of
strategy.
consistency in futures until I started trading that way.
But if there's something that gives you some sort of structure where you know where your stop is, you know where your profits are, you know, you have rules to how you trade, you know, that's a productive thing, whether it's ICT or IRS or CRT, BR, doesn't matter.
LMNOP.
It doesn't matter. It's as long as it gives you structure. Don't let Smooth hear you talk about fib people. He's one of those fib people. But yeah, it's just whatever gives you the structure to your trading that is overall a good thing. I think the people that have sort of taken the concepts and tried to monetize them in absurd ways, like certain people on Twitter that don't even trade money. I think that's unfortunate, but shouldn't be listening to anyone who doesn't trade actual money. Yeah, there's lots of ways. I mean, to be honest, a lot of people end up at the same bus stop no matter what method they're using.
ICT talks about magical algos that target him. That's cultish. I don't know. I think if you actually listen to certain things said, not the case, but again, everyone and their mother is in a cult when it comes to trading. Everyone's a cult when it comes to their strategy in their own way. You think
Unless
your
you're
own
just a-
strategy is in a cult too, and your
Unless
whole
you're just a
room
vibe
full of
trader.
people doing it? It's just like it's all the same, honestly. That's the way I see it. There's no difference. People sit back and live and die by their way of making money in the market. It's the same thing.
GC,
Uh-oh. Breaking
TP,
down. New lows.
TP, GC. Now let's get a silver TP and be a good day. But GC just hit TP again.
Nice. One person calls it resistance, another calls it an inverse. Precisely. The same EMA tap that you're shorting off of will be a tap into a bearish for value gap. It's all the same, dude.
Well,
It's what vocabulary and what system works better for your brain. Give a shit what you call it, dude.
It's okay. It's okay, Jordy. I like that. We like you even though you are in the ICT cult.
Dude, I'm in the cult, bro. But I'm also,
It's just
as
like,
you
it's
know,
just
a
like
full
a cult
believer.
to call everyone else a cult.
Are you top or bottom bunk in the ICT at the ICT retreats?
What I love is no matter what, like I'm a pure example of I'm trading that stuff, but look at I'm using your strategies. I'm a firm believer that
I think what it's done for you is just what I was saying, is it's given
Structure.
you a structure to how you trade, and however you get there, it doesn't matter. It's you've gotten there and been able to develop a way that you trade based on parts of his concept, parts of concepts that you like yourself, and you develop a trading style and trading system, and ultimately that's the outcome that people are looking for. And if it makes money, it's people shouldn't have a problem with any of it.
I love this comment. He's got ICT as God chopsticks. Oh my gosh, that's funny, bro. That's actually fucking funny. That's funny.
Emp is dead. He is now Wolf Ryan.
He is.
Emp is dead.
I'm in the Emp cold. I just copy all his trades. I love it. I love it. No, but overall, like, we cracked
send your
jokes
membership
and shit.
dues in, guys. I didn't know I had a cult.
We do now.
Yeah.
Let's go. All right.
Is there a moon phase strategy? There is a moon phase strategy, bro.
Link in bio. My strategy is just everyone else's strategies all put together.
That's one thing I'll die about. I'll be talking my stuff, and somebody with a moon phase strategy will be like,
I long
"You're
down
so
here again,
wrong."
by the
And
way.
I'm like, bro, you're talking to me about moon phases and telling me I'm wrong. Shut up, dude. Like, get out of here.
It is his dead name. that
It's
might be the
Imp Beard
best
Colt
part.
versus Casey Beard Colt. Scuba Force. Yeah, that's a great name for Imp's Colt. The Scuba Force, bro. SEAL Team 6.
Oh, now oil is rolling over. Here we go.
Get him. No, but I think Data J said it earlier. Only thing that matters is P&L, and it's so true.
Yep.
I don't give a shit how you get to the end of the road, guys. Like, get there with a consistent P&L.
Yeah, I don't care what you trade.
That's all that matters.
I'm not sure what you're asking about run of pricing on NQGC strategies. I'm sorry, I'm not sure what you're asking.
Run a pricing. I wonder is he just asking how much they are?
I don't know.
There's different ones. Some of them are cheaper than others.
The ones that I'm showing, the one that I'm showing here, the silver, gold, and NQ one are all the same strategy. This one, the silver one, this NQ one, and this gold one are all the same strategy, and that's $100 a month. But it has a free trial.
My pair straight is like break even.
And the software is anywhere from $69 a month to $199 a month. Depends how many strategies and stuff you're going to be running at once.
We got 5
Very
minutes.
few right off the bat would the unlimited plan be necessary. People usually sort of grow up to that
Oh, trimming oil here. Sorry.
in their
Is your
trading.
bounce on spine cues?
Same spot. Get to the bottom. They buy it up.
Mhm.
But Bullish Bear, if you would like to try it, I made the offer on the space we did earlier, but if you want to give it a shot, at least on the software side, I can give you a 30-day trial on the software side. If you want to try the strategy out, and I believe that has a 7-day trial. I don't have control over that one. That's a outside vendor that, I mean, they sell it on our marketplace, but it's not sold. It's people that we've vetted that have strategies. So, yeah, but if you do want to try the software out, I can hook you up with a 30-day trial. Send me a message on the Clear Edge Twitter at Clear Edge Trades. Guess you should have taken that Lowe's Emp and Cult.
Join the Emp cult. Oh, here we go. Big pop.
Silver little
I got
pop
to trim
here.
660 on the NQs.
Just like that.
Oil, I'm looking for this 9372 VWAP again to trim. I got a feeling we're about to get there. Look, current strategy. Just wait for the edges of the range, get in, and wait for a headline, then take profit. What cult is that?
The Imp Cult.
Cult of
That's
winning.
The imp cult.
I think
trying to-
that
Just trying to
I
trade
really
and make money.
I really
We're in the wolf cult.
really
That's the
like
cult we're in.
comment.
Wolf cult. Join now.
Did you
Make
just
money.
Did you just dead name Ryan? Can't be dead naming.
What does dead name mean?
It's your old name. You know, when someone goes from male to female.
Oh,
Your old name.
dead. Oh, that. Yeah,
You're no longer Ryan. You're now Ryanita.
yeah. From what was the other? What was a good one? Like this guy was like, I used to be Christian. I used to be a Christian. Now I'm Christina. That was one of the funnier skits I saw. This guy was like, I hope it's okay. You know, I used to be Christian. I hope that's okay with you. The guy's like, yeah, you know, I'm not worried about your religious beliefs. He goes, yeah. So now I'm Christina. Christina Fur. Come on, just get a follow through. Pop, 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 pop. Need a headline. Christina. Okay. You got a lisp? Christina. And we may reject her right here again. They like oil at this 94. I don't know why, but they do. Who else? Did somebody else join? Is Frank here? Oh, sorry, Frank.
All right, guys, I am jumping off here. You have a wonderful, wonderful rest of your day. This
You
is
too, Nara.
horrible, horrible trading, and you can blow up accounts quickly. So
Thanks
It's
for hanging out
Mel.
with us, brother.
just don't do it.
He said it's moon.
See ya.
All right, Dan.
Bye.
Have a good one.
Holy,
Shout out, Nara.
another 600 orders now sitting down here
Uh-oh.
again at 600.
Look at
Throwing
that
your
big sexy
peanut
guy on the
back,
screen.
Ryan.
Wearing the greatest soccer jersey of all time.
This guy? Oh, this little guy? Don't worry about this little guy. Oh, do we need to hit the flat all button again? Where's the yes? Dude, this ES chart's gross today. QQQ has held the NFP every single time, though.
Hey, the SPX Iron Condor is at 5 pennies.
All right, somebody get it. That's what I'm going to start. I love that we have live chat because now, like, when I throw in these little, like, subtle movie references, somebody's going to catch it. So, oh, this little guy? Don't worry about this little guy. Good enough for me. Ding, ding. Frank, are you here? If it goes any lower than it goes today, we're going to visit the 200 day on the daily. But I'm going to just keep doing the same thing over and over. See if we get a headline again. I mean, like, I'm in this trade again. Long M&Q, short MCL. Cover whenever it does something. Also, a big reminder, shout out to our stream sponsors over at Leverage Shares, 2x Leverage Tickers, best expense ratio in the game. Check out all of their great stuff. And we have we're getting the updates to that competition stuff going. It's that you guys did a huge help in getting that information. We've got short and long coming up for the next one. Not a little cleanup on the submitting the tickers, and we're gonna figure out a leaderboard and all that good stuff. Start shouting you out. I want to know who is the best picker in the chat. But we'll more to come on that. I'm hungry.
Hey, look at this P&L, baby. Get it, shawty.
Damn, son, where'd you find this? Trapaholics.
Trapaholics. Real trap shit.
Tradeaholics. Real trade addicts. I know, like, dude, this 15-minute has me really concerned. every one of these like upper wicks on the 15-minute. But this is also one of those like bases. I mean, look at your 30-minute. Here's one of those bases where eventually you could get a full body candle right out of this. We haven't had a 30-minute close lower all day.
Said, bro, I need to make $21 to pass my very first eval. All right, you ready?
Don't.
Let's get you there. Let's get you there. We got this.
Don't do it.
Let's do it. All you need is one MNQ. That's all you need. One MNQ is all you need. We'll get you there, partner.
No way. The White House posted a Wii Sports one. That dude.
Yeah,
The
you see
White
that?
House.
Did you watch that video?
I watched the other one.
The bowling?
No, that's okay. That's the one I haven't seen yet. I'm pulling it up.
Yeah,
watched one
Yeah,
like
watch the bowling one.
yesterday or. Oh wait, there's two bowling ones.
Who do you think I am?
Oh, the bowl here. Okay, the bowling one is the one. This is the one I did see last night. There's a Wii one from 2 hours ago. He's playing Wii tennis against the. Oh my god, Wii golf. Dude, this is weird. I don't know. I'm kind of not a fan of this, to be honest.
Who runs that page?
I don't know. I mean, the creativity's there, but I don't know if the White House is the right spot for, like, can we get them a job at like somewhere else? Because this is a little wild. Yeah, I don't know. Feels like we're about to get a headline, though. It's getting thin and jumpy. Where are you, headline? What was the Tesla news? I saw Mike Allen's thing. What was the Tesla news? I was out all day yesterday, so I just like kind of tried to comb some headlines, but Tesla got approval to convert XAI into space. Well, but XAI and SpaceX are the same thing now. So what's the difference? Well, I mean, what was the other? Well, the other option? What, they were going to have to take their investment back out of XAI and then invest into SpaceX instead? Come on. Give us a headline.
What do I want for dinner?
Why does it actually feel like something's coming? Just looking at the price action. Perplexity announced its own computer. Well, but there's a Mac Mini as the. Interesting. My spidey senses are going off right now. Just like the way the DOM and the bookmap are just all over the place. I don't know which direction that headline goes, but has been a nice range to scout back and forth, that's for sure. Have we even heard from Trump today? I don't think I've heard a Trump headline all day. So how do futures work? I made an account, put the 100 minimum trading using on InQ. So you have to have the margin to be able to be in the position. So like you check their margin requirements, but like each broker is a little bit different. But like usually you need like for MNQ, like the cheapest margin I've ever seen is like 100 maybe. I don't know, margin's a little high right now in general, but the later we get in the day, the later I don't like this as much. I think Tradeovate is like $100 for MNQ on the margin. But you have to have enough money in there to cover, like, if it goes up or down. But definitely make sure you're using MNQ or MES or whatever. If you're just, especially if you're new to futures. The after hours price, well, you just have a wide range with a lot of volatility. Like there's certain pockets of the market where the after hours, what do you want to call it? The after hours, like action, whatever, is a little bit better. Like right now during the day, I mean, people are scared to death, but you have way less participants at night. So it's like it hunts liquidity when you have a 20 plus VIX. It starts hunting level to level to level. And it gets trending one way or the other depending on what's going on, who's participating. We are still doing nothing. Yeah. Maybe look at paper trading a little bit. Like usually I don't say that, but if you're gonna risk your own money on futures, like you kind of need to kind of get a feel of how it works, how much it moves, all that kind of stuff. You should have like a demo account. $100 is definitely gonna be really top. I mean, like if you're gonna spend $100, go get a prop firm account instead of opening your own account if you're new to futures. That's what I would say. Shout out Code Wolf, of course. Use Code Wolf. Cheapest discount. Uh-oh, oil looks like it's gonna rocket. I don't know. There's nothing looks good on these charts right now, except for oil pushing up higher. And I'm literally in the opposite trade. Some of these big names look like they want to turn around though. Oh, not with oil doing that, they won't. Okay, so you have been trading for a while. So like the only thing you need to get used to is like how futures move. Oil's ripping right now, so this is not a good spot to be. They're not letting the market fall to the bottom of this range though. Oh, I feel like we're going to get a stupid candle out of this range at some point on a headline. Maybe not today. But that's certainly what it feels like. With the prop firms, what about the taxes? I have to give the same answer no matter what. Consult with a CPA. But you do get paid as a 1099 analyst fee, is what it says on all my 1099s anyway. Guys, don't worry about the trolls. We need more. Stir it up in here a little bit. I need some good haters, some good trolls in here. So far, I haven't. I'm not big enough to get like the good haters and good trolls just yet. Need some good ones. Oh, KC Trade sent me a Discord friend request again. Dude, I get like 3 of these a week.
Wasn't me.
I know. So say I get like 3 of these a week though.
I will never send you a friend request, Ryan.
You should not, because I would deny it.
Actually, I think we're already friends on Discord.
We are. We have been for quite some time.
Any other one, but not mine. Not my backups.
Is this what yesterday was like?
Yesterday was weird. I think this is surprisingly, I think today is worse than yesterday, but I lost Money Trading Spy yesterday, and then I made Money Trading Spy today in this price action. So yesterday was more trappy, but choppy. Today is just straight choppy. Not really trappy. Because there is a clear spot on the chart where they don't want to let it go above or below. So we're not really going anywhere, or it's not like it's trying to set up for the breakout or breakdown.
Yeah, Spy didn't do anything yesterday.
No.
Was it just? It was like it just closed flat on the day, didn't it?
It wasn't too far off from where it closed from the opening price. I don't think it was too far off.
All right, I'm about to start getting stopped out here.
Looks like the condor will hit 100%. Oh, yeah. Easy money.
I don't know. I look at this and I go, "Is this not the same pattern over and over and over?" I mean, the move up we had from Monday to Tuesday, we're just right in the middle of it. ES did a golden retrace and is sitting on top of the 200 day. Do I add to my other trade?
Ooh, $1,500 on the SPX Iron Condor. Let's go.
And the thing is, like, I've made enough money doing the same thing over and over today. Like, if it doesn't work once, it's just gonna, like, instead of 4 wins, it'd be 3 wins with 1 loss. So it basically would be 2 wins.
All gas, no brakes.
Hey guys, what do you think, looking at the geopolitics, will American economy collapse? Well, look, I'm not a geopol expert like a lot of people are right now that were, Venezuelan cartel experts, and then they were Mexican cartel experts, and then pick your expert. They're just one thing to another, but I mean, oil cannot sustain price up here. It will not work with the economy. From everything that I've read and everyone that is a geopol expert that I've asked. And if the American economy collapses, that's a global recession. And oil is flying now. So that's the main way I look at it. And when I think about everything that's going on, since I don't know. I tend to lean towards they won't let it go that far. If they do, they do. There's bigger problems. But until they do, I'll just try to profit from it on trading. And I can trade level to level either way. Uh-oh. Going the wrong way here. All right, oil is screaming upside. What headline do we have? Nothing.
Oh, dude, a fake Casey Trades just joined my Discord and sent me a friend request.
Probably the same guy.
Fuck that guy.
This has got that rollover, Phil. Do they let it happen? Do these 800 orders down here on NQ hold us in? If you have time and sells on your futures, watch right here. Not yet, but like 3 points lower. $605 is where I see them. 605, 600, 695. There's one. 184 is what I see. I feel like I should just buy with these guys again. They've held it in over and over and over. Makes you wonder if somebody's getting positioned for like a big swing long. The amount of size filling here.
We're probably going to see a decent move after hours.
I don't know. If we don't get another headline to calm down oil, I don't think we're going to do anything. What time is it? Is it power hour? I've just been sitting here. I haven't done anything.
No,
Oh, you still got
20
time till
minutes.
power hour. 20 minutes.
20 minutes? till
Ow,
power-
20 minutes.
Stupid time change. Who's that? Oh.
Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, dun.
Yeah, he wasn't even a good troll.
Amp, you long this?
Yeah, a little bit.
Uh,
Same trade as earlier.
this looks like it could roll over. Could go either way, but
There's 400 lots sitting right underneath us again. Do you guys prefer a certain prop firm over others? Not, I mean, I think everyone just kind of has their own preference, but it's really like which like set of rules like fits your trading style the best. Does look kind of like a rollover here.
Oh, Imp, you got a troll in the chat? What?
Oh yeah, dude. Yeah, he was here the other day.
Who's this fucking guy? Who's
He was-
this fucking idiot?
I put him on timeout because he just wasn't good. Like, I want like trolls and haters, but like be good,
Make it fun.
good at it. Yeah.
Yeah. I love putting people in timeout. I think it's hilarious.
Well, like the other day, like he was in here and I, we had a little fun, interaction, and then he came back with like less material. So like, come on, put some effort in, dude. Yeah, look. Back under another
What?
username. There we go. Hey,
Different
now we're
username?
showing. No, here we go. Now we're showing some effort. There you go. Get timed out. Create a new username. There we go.
Hey, that's
Put some effort in.
dedication.
There we go.
Hey,
Now
Mike,
maybe I'll
shout
respond to
out.
something.
Freaking $15,000 in profit so far this year on SPX credit spreads. That's awesome.
Oh,
Hell yeah.
turd butts just roasted me.
That's incredible. Absolutely sensational.
Dude, I almost want to just take like a lotto swing along on some options for the amount of positioning that's been put on here at the lows on NQ.
I think we're going to sell lower after hours to 665 on SPY, and then it's going to be a fat long overnight, and we'll probably open up green. It's my prediction. I still think we go lower, and then I think we open up green tomorrow.
Dude, read the last message from Gabriel.
Oh my god!
Oh, see that's
Put
creative,
it on
Dude.
the
bro.
screen.
See that's
the
creative.
troll- Dude,
Oh
the
my gosh.
the troll is getting out trolled.
Oh my God.
See that,
That
right
was
there,
fun.
Gabriel? Like, see, that is quality work. Like, come in here and troll me with something like that.
That's a good one. Put
That
that on
is
the screen. I
quality.
want to see that on the jumbotron.
Dude, but oh yeah. Well,
Oh god, that's
I don't know if we
that
want
was
to do
good.
that.
That's clever. Remind me not to pick a fight with Gabriel.
Yeah. Gabriel is in the greatest state in the US, so makes sense.
Where's Oxy? Oxy hit 60? Nah, got close today. Over 59. Imp, you see my DraftKings?
I have not.
Oh yeah. From 22 bucks and then swung some calls into
Oh.
today. Went back over 26. Let's
Here she goes.
trying to do I mean, that's just the weekly 9. But it's a start.
God. Dude, imagine trolling, getting timed out because your trolls were just not good. Coming back with a different username, just getting absolutely crushed by somebody in the chat. Just Gabriel just cruises that. Oh my god. Report a homicide over here.
Probably eats bananas for the shape and not the taste. Hey, Walmart's green today.
Yeah, the S&P looks like it's about to roll.
Just when you think it, long it.
I know, like that's kind of what it's kind of what I'm doing here. If it doesn't work, it doesn't work. Whatever.
Yeah, 15 minutes. Let's see. The chances of me swinging anything. I always like to take a swing into Friday, though.
And next Friday's quad witching too. Ooh. And I'll be out there with J Money. Jace the kid.
Let's go. We're gonna have fun. It's gonna be good. Oh, we're gonna make some money too. You can be at the crib for a bit. We'll trade together.
Yeah, I'm trying to think of how we're gonna do that.
I mean, you could. There's multiple ways, I think. I mean, you could always literally sit on my bed and fucking trade right in my room with me. But that
Yeah, but
feels
if you're
like
on if you're on Spaces and I'm on stream, though, it's not gonna work.
yeah, so that's what I was thinking. So probably like the other room. You just be in Evan's room will be good.
I did see fertilizer stocks were getting a big pop.
Fertilizer
Heavy
stocks?
go.
Oh.
Yeah, this MOS. I mean, it's not a great chart. It's coming off a decent area, but huge pops on the news headlines.
Whoa, Ryan doesn't swing that way. He's gonna swing that way after hanging out with me this weekend. Shit.
Whoa.
Whoa, no Diddy. Yeah, no Diddy, that's for sure. Definitely no Diddy.
Oh shit. Here we go again.
What should I put as occupation on the form? Which form?
Huge.
Which form, Jahan?
China. Why do I not have Trump on the soundboard? I need to get Trump on the soundboard ASAP.
There's another 174 lots.
Is UNH a short? You gonna make me trim?
What was this called?
UNH looks ugly.
Jordan's hat looks like a pack-a-day mom's jeans. That's good.
There's one more set of orders down here.
Yo, when is TradingView gonna fix Valdi on Valdi EQ?
Oh, hold on, Jahan just had a baby. Jahan, new
go,
baby
baby.
trader out here.
Oh, let's go. Typing from labor and delivery. Let's go.
Yeah.
Some of your best trading will happen during those
Oh,
times.
congrats, bro. That's huge.
Dude, put on that forum that you own a piece of 500 multi-million-dollar companies. So I'm an investor in 500 multi-million-dollar companies.
This is a
Own
crazy
one.
statement, but I'm glad to hear that you think I'd kill it in that area, Colin. Glad to hear it. You probably would simp over me. Probably would. I'd drive a
Oh,
Range
man.
Rover for sure.
Did your wife pass a combine and then gave birth a week later? Let's go.
Let's go.
If I was a mom, I'd be the Range Rover for sure. I mean, the Range.
Tell her to go ahead and take a payout today and get herself a push gift.
Yeah.
Come on, there's one more set of orders down here. Just fill it.
No,
The
we're about
only
to
right
rip
name for
right
that
here,
child
long.
is Jordan, by the way. Only correct name for that child. Just keeping it real.
Oh, watch it. Watch it. Watch it. Watch it.
Again?
Watch it.
No, there were still 200. There's still 200 orders left down there.
She can hear you guys. Says thanks. Shout out Mama John. Let's go. Jehan. Mama John. Jehan. Let's Let's go, baby.
I'm gonna sweep this low and then go make a new high a day. Let's go.
Sweep it.
Pop it.
Twist it. Pull it.
There you go. There you go. Hey, there you go. Ooh. Dude, if I didn't lock my freaking accounts, I'd probably be up another like 200 or 300.
Jahan, that's amazing. What a warrior too, just going through all that. That's amazing. Boy or girl, huge congrats. W's in the chat for Jahan. And new baby Jahan. I bet your baby's already on GeoGuessr right now. All right. Watch ES like go down and just double tap low of day and fly back.
I mean, it's a little scalp. It ain't nothing crazy. It was like maybe 30 points on MNQ. Something like that.
I don't know. Looks like we're gonna go into the end of the day and just keep tracking to the bottom. I'll have to get me some power hour food though. I'm starving. It's like the first time I think I've ever heard KC's keyboard. That's how quiet it is.
Am I not on my AirPods? I might not be. Oh no, I am. I'm surprised you can hear that.
Do you have voice isolation on your Mac?
Yeah.
If you go to the little camera thing, is voice isolation.
Yep. And then on Restream, I have echo cancellation and noise suppression.
Well, I've never even tried those. Oh, no, I think they are just on. Oh, I have to play some pin the tail on the donkey or something. Market speculator. That's a good occupation for traders, right? Warachi? That sounds good. I don't know, dude. I drove by 2 Popeyes yesterday and didn't stop at either one because I was just so ready to get home.
Damn, didn't even make a pit stop. That's crazy.
I was so hungry, dude. Tommy, we have not done any, or we faded to the bottom of the range again. Still haven't done anything though.
Let's go check the flare. See See if there's anything interesting coming in.
Here we go. Here's a good headline. Kash Patel having UFC fighters train FBI agents.
COHR. What's going on with this thing? Looking a tad bit fugly here. Nothing too crazy.
Bro, I'm looking for any type of anything at this point.
Just give me something to work with.
All
Oh
right.
my gosh, TSM back down.
Coming down to those last set of orders on NQ finally.
There's nothing on this freaking flow.
And a bunch popped up there at 6:30. Oh, ES has got a huge bid right here. What was that? Somebody was just sitting on top of ES. That was weird. I don't think they filled though. Maybe they did 88. It looked bigger than that. Oh, okay, it was. All right, that's not a good sign. Two hours till power hour. I mean,
2 hours.
2 minutes. 2 minutes.
Like,
I was like,
damn.
wait, what?
mean-
Y'all can
like
sit
2
here for
hours.
that, but I'm gonna be
Shit.
gone.
Yeah, I'm fucking out of here.
I'm going through some daily charts to see if there's anything I want to swing, and I can tell you right now, there ain't nothing on these charts today that I didn't see yesterday.
Hey, Amp,
Yep.
the guys from J Dash, the Gooners, they want to know what your thoughts are on the market here.
Gooners.
Sun Capital and J Dash and Twigor.
Well, oil has to stop going up, but somebody's
I'm
positioning
clipping that
huge
shit, dude.
in NQ.
Yeah, there's big bids in NQ at 26.
They-
and
they've
there's
built
big
a-
offers at 20 at 750.
They've built a massive position in here.
They've been buying the shit out of it all day. That's why it's not going down.
And there's been what, like 2,000?
The SPX looks like to me like it wants to go to 6640. Test that low.
There's another 200 lot. That's like the
Remember I said
seventh,
earlier in
eighth
the
one.
week we're gonna see that low again this week
I got it. I found it. Let's see.
at 1030
I
low.
want to see 200-day on SPX.
Yeah, if we don't launch from here, that's where we're going. And oil is ripping right now.
Yeah, it's USO is like high of the day, right?
Oil 9666. Oof.
Oh,
And Zom, I mean, not selling off much, but Zom just sold off $1.
SPX hit the low today.
There's power hour.
Oh man, this daily candle structure on SPX just looks like it needs a resolution. Cascade to the downside.
Weekly on the Q. Looks like it's rejecting 21 every time it gets there.
6680 on ES might be supportive again. We'll see.
Tweak 6680. 6680 is the big negative on SPX. Hey Twig, are you gonna tell me to go home long again tonight?
Well, this is what yesterday I was saying.
All right, you just ran out of all these big orders are now. Oh no, they threw another one on here. This is going to be like multi-thousand, like 2,000 plus at least an NQ right here. I'm long again. That's the last set of orders. There it is.
Look at that
Run it
pop.
up.
Same spot again.
Come on, give it to me. Give me a headline.
That was kind of a little volatile, though. Is there a headline for that? Best intel Sky News and International Coalition could protect ships. And click on the notification from Walter Bloomberg so I can read the
Yeah,
rest.
there's still another order down here.
Oh, another one just came in saying Israeli military says it has begun a wide wave of attacks in, I don't want to pronounce that wrong. I'm probably going to pronounce it wrong. Tehran. Oh my goodness, 2 more headlines just came out. What the hell?
They were sitting on these headlines until power hour.
This one's about Palantir and NVIDIA. There's fast stock market news as well, same ones.
All right, there's no orders left to hold us here. So either we start flying back up.
Let's bring her down.
But whoever's like 2,500 NQ lots deep here, we'll find out whatever they think. Be wrong together.
I think I want to swing coin puts into FAFO Friday. IWM bringing it down. IWM's not even near low day though. Q's almost there. SPY, that did make a new low day on SPY.
This is that same golden retrace on ES here too. Same one you bounced off of this morning. But oil's flying. Market's not going to go anywhere with that happening. It's got to cool off.
Well, apparently we're going to $200 a barrel, so
We need an actual headline here. I really want to swing some lottos long from right here.
I'm gonna look for an entry tonight. I think
All right, I'm adding to NQ here. I'm risking like 60s.
if we don't sell off before the close, I think we can sell down and hit this next area shortly after the close. And then I want to see if I can buy the dip in the overnight session and ride it up into the morning. I'm gonna grab these coins.
Dude, look at this thing jumping around. This is crazy.
I'm sure we're gonna see more headlines coming in now.
Oh, buddy, let's go.
Yeah, they're just keeping cues at the same spot every time.
I think NQ can run 80 points or 100 points. Besant's still talking. I believe that as soon as militarily possible, we will be escorting the vessel through. Come on, Besant, pump my bags. God, now there's a 500 lots? Dude, this is going to be a massive position somebody's in on NQ.
IWM looks like it wants to break down. You got some 5-minute squeezes that have been building for a while, have bearish divergence. Your squeeze is now negative. On your 5-minute, the 15-minute is about to cross to the downside on IWM, but it hasn't yet.
Oh, Besant's talking to Sky News. I can't even watch that.
Your 15 minutes been in a squeeze on cues, but slowly creeping up. It's almost at the zero line. I still think we're gonna see the move once market closes.
Oil looks like it wants to just scream through these highs.
I think it'll be a dip and rip. We'll see if I'm right.
Trump just dropped a True Social.
Let's go.
Oh, buddy.
Too late, Powell. He should be dropping interest rates immediately, not waiting for the next meeting. President Donald J. Trump.
Of course.
That one's kind of funny. Trump looked at the old portfolio and price of oil and said, okay, I need to say some stuff. There you go. Drop. Drop, oil. Drop. get a ripper here into close. Not looking good the way price action is. Nope. This doesn't break lower. I mean, it should break. I should get stopped out of this. How does this not roll over at this point? There goes NVIDIA. Yeah.
Look at coin. Look at that last 5 minute, the current 5 minutes. About to make a new low day. Oh, dip it down, baby. Bring her down, shawty. Bust it down, Tatiana. There's that same daily level right there. What you gonna do?
Netanyahu's holding a press conference. Oh boy. That's probably not going to be good. God, do something.
Do something crazy. Do something crazy. Let's see what Q's does at. Well, hold on. Is this SPY? Oh no, that chart is SPY. Where's Q's? Q's hasn't made a new low day. Only SPY did earlier. Where's SPX? Bottom of the box.
Yeah, same spot.
66.80. Let's go check over here. Five minutes done. 10-minute. One bullish indicator, one bearish indicator. 15-minute is neutral ish to bullish as long as it holds. Dude, look at the 30-minute candles on anything. Look at QQQ 30-minute chart. What in the actual kind of BS price action is that?
I know. I looked at it earlier. I was like, what the hell is this?
That is disgusting. Look at that. What the fuck is this?
Lower
just-
lows on the 30. Lower
they just-
lows.
So they just pull SPX right back to 6,700 and pin it there.
What chart is that? QQQ. What the hell is even that?
Somebody ran the car.
30-minute RSI just went overextended.
What's Netanyahu saying? Oh. Netanyahu's making some kind of statement right now that they just put out, but or like it looks pre-recorded. It doesn't look like an interview.
I'm not gonna lie. I kind of don't want to watch this chart for another 45 minutes.
I know, dude. But they just hit,
I'm not gonna
cancel
take.
all and get out.
I'm not gonna take anything else from what I already have right now planned. Like, I don't really feel like looking at this chart any longer.
It's like dick measure.
Well, things in
measuring back and
Hebrew or whatever, Arabic.
Right now, CNBC is playing an interview that they just had with Besson about. I don't know if you want to listen to this.
I think it's on purpose. I mean, it's not dick measuring like they're.
There's oil dropping at least.
I think they're trying to do a Trump kind of type of psychological shit and just confuse the fuck out of the media.
Israel's Netanyahu warned that Hezbollah will pay a heavy price for its aggression. Everybody's measuring their dicks.
Like, dude, come on. Like, so, like, what else are you gonna say?
Yeah, and so Besson is saying they know that Iranian ships and Chinese ships have gone through the straits, so they know it's not been mined. They're just like, it sounds like they're trying to convince ships to, take their escorts, but then they've said that their escort, they said that it's not safe enough to escort from other departments have said that. So.
Well, my P&L's hanging in here because the oil is dropping.
Can't have
Way to mine is
EQ's not bouncing, but
it's like Schrodinger's cats. Until you can
come on, react with oil. Look at oil.
basically believe there are.
Come on, NQ,
I
get a
thought
pop.
I thought they have like
drop.
those basic. I thought they have like a whole bunch of like those like remote control fucking torpedoes.
Iran?
Yeah, I saw a bunch of them floating in water.
Yeah.
All right, I gotta start covering.
Water
some stuff.
drones.
Yeah, those are.
Here we
those things
go.
are- Those things are pretty badass actually, because
They travel
they're
like
like
20
they're
knots.
worse than the they're worse than the mines.
Yeah, they move.
I was looking at the Lockheed Martin's version of those.
10 minute. Still
Rechargeable
holding
side, they can
on
attach it to,
cues.
like sides of boat.
Same low. See if maybe the 5 and 15 minute can fire before close, but I have very little faith.
Oil keeps dropping like this, we can get a nice move. But I need to start covering something.
My Weevil
here.
app's not even loading, so that's probably a good sign. Oh, there we go. All right, SPX Iron Condor is 100%. The probabilities of us seeing a $105 move in the next 40 minutes, I think, is slim to none. So I'm leaving the rest to expire for full profit.
That's a good one, Lasso. That's a good one. I like to move it, move it. You like to move it, move it. Now let's add some sounds real quick. Give me a few moments.
Oh my god! What? Is that a storage unit facility?
Wow,
The winds
Netanyahu just
collapsed that whole thing.
Netanyahu just said we are changing the Middle East and becoming a regional power, and in some areas a global power. Yeah, so say what you really want. Good God. Frank's buddies are gonna get fired up about that one. Our buddies. We are changing the Middle East and becoming a regional power, and in some areas a global power. Well, what he's saying is not going to calm anything down, so that's a problem. Come on, NQ. Push, push, push. It's turning into a day where half my gains are eaten up by commissions. Not really half, but a decent amount. There you go, Spy. Get off that low. There we go. More, 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 more.
I'm watching that. I didn't watch the new one, the Wii Sports one from the White House. That's insane.
The Wii Sports one's kind of wild. I do not want to swing any of this position on futures. I need to close out.
All right. What do I want for dinner? Just had Mexican, just had Indonesian.
I am really close to just flat and all again. And as soon as I do it, we're gonna get a pop, and it's gonna drive me crazy.
Taco Bell's always calling my name, but
Dude, I may have Jordy meet me at Taco Bell on Tuesday.
Smoking Jimmy's chicken and seafood. Hell yeah.
That sounds good.
Yeah, it does.
You can't be named Smoking Jimmy's and not have a, you know.
Look at that fried shrimp. Hell looks good. Fried chicken.
There you go. Oil fall.
Oh, and they
More.
have chili cheese fries. I'm sold. You know what? I wonder if are Grim Burgers on here. Nah, it's too far.
He said, I know a smoking Jimmy Hill. He has a couple teeth left.
It's never gonna be Chipotle. Fuck that. Oh, Christopher's Steakhouse. Isn't that the place that's right up the road? Kind of wanted to try this place.
Damn, there's still 33 minutes left.
Yeah, that's why I'm looking at what I want for dinner.
I'm starving. I've only had a Monster all day. A juice Monster Mango Loco. All right, the video's popping over VWAP. Something deep in my stomach's telling me to just close this trade and call it a day. Or I could just close like one side. I don't know. There's nobody left sitting underneath us with orders. There are some above us on ES. Come on, just run SPX 10 points back to 7K and, or 6,700. Sorry, close it there. 7K. 7K would be sick. $630 stiff. The old $630 stiff. Oh, that's a good. That's like, that's top 3 comment of the day right there. He says 630 is stiff on NQ. He said the old 630 stiffy. Do you guys use Flight Radar, the app? I'm not familiar with Flight Radar. I like Flight Aware I've used for like tracking my flights. All right, 30-minute candle close.
No way. That's actually for real? What?
What's for real?
Oh,
Apparently,
that's
if you go to Chipotle right now, you get BOGO on burritos if you show them your tattoos.
You just have to have a tattoo.
Oh, desperate.
Let me see.
Desperate
Oh, that's
housewives.
tomorrow. Let me see. It says the buy one get one promotion is limited to 5 free menu items, blah, blah, blah. There must be one tattoo wearing customer for each free item. The tattoos can be real, temporary, drawn on.
Oh, they don't even have to be real.
So Chipotle's not going after the high class white girl anymore.
Yeah.
They got
No.
they're struggling so bad they're going after anybody they can get. Don't you love how you can like spin any headline into whatever you want it to? Come on, give me a pop. God.
Bro, damn right I use Flight Radar app. I watch planes come in like all day.
But that's
Amazing.
That's Flight Radar?
Yeah.
I thought it was Flight Aware.
I mean, that might be another one. I just use Flight Radar.
I've never looked at Flight Radar. Is that the one everybody's using to watch those tankers right now?
Yeah, that's what everybody uses, pretty much. From what I see, like when I see posts on X of people posting that stuff, yeah, that's what they're using.
Boy, Chipotle trying to break into the trailer park market. That's funny. Come on, can we can pop the VWAP here. 600 on QQQ, right? Right, Casey? It's only $1 higher.
600 on Qs? Yeah.
Yeah, it's just VWAP is right there. Just pop
Yeah,
the
you
VWAP.
can- you can
Square
get
off
up there.
PC data in the morning, just square it off.
I'm about to head out because I'm bored.
Come on, pop it. There we go. Come on. More, a little bit more, a little bit more.
Oh,
Up
yeah.
there. A little bit more.
Spy getting a decent candle.
Come on. A little bit more. I need to get some more of these trims off. I got one trim off right there in the 40s. Come on, get some follow through. Come on, buyers. Yes, guys, just keep running away like little girls. 5 more points. I want 6,700 SPX. I want QQQ to hit VWAP and 600. Best case scenario, we get a headline, we rip 100 points, but I'm not going to ask for that much today. Take me home tonight. I don't wanna let. Great song.
Dang, Rivian got smoked today.
No, did I miss it again?
Dude, it's down like 7 point something percent.
Oh, bless. Dudes.
Trying to figure out why my long term was down
Right back where she needs to be.
$500. I was like, everything else is still decent. What's dragging ass? Rivian.
Now NQ is going to reject or blow. Fuck. But oil's falling now. So just What are we doing?
Ooh, little smackarooskies.
I was gonna buy the 6700s, but man, they were trading at 5. They went from 5 to 173. I'm not buying them now. They've gotten too cheap. They'll never make it back. Ugh, that's ugly. That is ugly right there, my friend.
Still a lot of time, Frank.
Yeah, we got 24 minutes. No, I was gonna buy them, but I'm not gonna buy them now. I guess I could have bought them at 160. I could have oh shit, I should have bought them. 160 to 230, 240.
Oil's coming down. There we go.
There you go. Oil's coming.
Crush. Come on. Come on, oil. Dropping. All right, just got a cover on oil at 95.50 from those last ads. A little extra credit there. Gosh, oil can drop hard. We will get a rebalance back higher on the market. Don't bounce. Go through it. It's not Netanyahu still making comments? Good Lord. Shut this guy up. Dude, the premiums out to next week are crazy juiced right now.
Yeah, I was trading SPY puts this morning for the downside for next Friday. They were twice the amount of the calls.
Yeah, even like Mondays are stupid high.
Yeah. All right.
Don't take this. Don't close. Why are they back down here?
Yeah, I think I'm gonna call it.
All right, somebody's got to fall on the sword for us. Appreciate you. Casey's gonna leave. We're getting a 50-point candle. We're sitting right on NFP low on QQQ. We've come off of it like 5 times. Right here. Uh-oh. Should have trimmed more.
Let me go send this out.
Did that? Don't make me hit that flat and all button here. Come on. Oh, IWM's about to break. They're about to crush this thing. Here goes Q's. There's nobody left to catch it this time. Yeah, they're trying to just wash this out. Look at Nvidia's dropping. Just do it. If you're gonna break it, just do it. There it goes. Bye-bye.
Come on. Freaking go ahead and either do it now into the close or just do it right after. But if you just bounce it here again, we all know you're going to go lower. And then you're going to probably rip face right after you tap into it. Just send out my trade recap.
How does this not make a new low? Was this like sweep the low and then come right back during like the last 10 minutes in MOC or something?
Tomorrow we got what? GDP, personal income, consumer spending, PCE, durable goods, job openings, and consumer sentiment. All of those are mainly at 8:30, except for those last two are at 10 a.m. Well,
they're still holding this freaking low.
I'm gonna go ahead and bounce. That way they can crack this low.
All right, who's
They'll
got
sell
music?
it down. I don't know, but it was very peaceful.
Yeah, I felt like I just walked onto an elevator.
Sorry, that was my phone.
Oh, gotcha.
We'll see if they can bring SPY down to 665 after hours. See if maybe Qs can
You got lower highs into this all day. This should break. What are we doing?
tap into like 594 area and then potentially rip off of that. Your previous month low is down there, currently on Qs. Your SPX 6670 is increasing. So if you do see a new low of day or a flush right here, just watch for a straight $10 move down on SPX to 6670.
There's
Oh,
all my stops on NQ.
no, they're going to do it. Going to continue it. If you retrace it, I'm leaving.
If we bounce, I'm just gonna buy this.
Come on.
What did ES? We did make a lower low on ES.
All right, IWM starting to pick up a little steam. It's the strongest out of the three. Qs briefly made the new low.
Oil just froze.
Break it down, hit here, go back up, and then go there. It's kind of like my thesis.
Oh, buddy. Is that all it's gonna do? Surely it goes lower. No. Oh, come on. There's MOC. There's the dive. Oh, no. The kick saved it. Yeah. Look at this daily. There's no way you're swinging long on SPY. Oh, now watch, we get a headline at Futures Open tonight. Ooh, oil ripping. Uh-oh. That chart looks like it wants to go higher for now. Oh, do something. Okay, dude, if they close SPY at 666.66, I'm not even gonna trade tomorrow. Too much bad juju. Well, it's kind of what we expected on that 30-minute chart what Frank was pointing out a while ago. I don't know. Microsoft's trying to take out the low here. What?
All right, guys, I'm headed out. I'll see you tomorrow for FAFO Friday.
All right,
Sounds
Casey.
goody, brother.
It should rug right now.
This looks
To the
like
downside.
this looks like Rug City.
Rugs.
66.70. Remember on SPX target downside is about $2 away now. So I'm gonna go ahead and bounce out. That way it hits target for you guys, and I'll see you tomorrow.
Thank you. Not
Later.
good closing at the lows here. As Frank always says. But to be honest, with us still holding these bigger time frame spots, I don't think it matters that we're closing into the lows. If we hold these spots, I'm looking for the bounce into tomorrow, but we'll see how the overnight goes.
There's your MOC flip over. Holy cow. Bassett. That was a nothing headline from Bassett. This might just crush right here, big time. Yeah, what? Yeah, Microsoft's about to crash. This thing's gonna drop like 50 points here. Watch. Do something. Just do. I'm just trying to speak something into existence so it moves.
Seriously.
Or they close SPY at 666. What? Come on, just ring the bell. What are we doing?
I'm on it.
Dude, if you ring that early right now, it'd freak me out. Just let-
Dude, I'm so over Twitter.
Well, what are they doing?
Dude, I just like I'm trying to tag Earnings Hub in a post. I will type their out letter for letter. Does not show up. Every morning I try and send invites out to everybody. I can't even send invites barely anymore because it won't even bring anybody's name up, dude.
Yeah, like glitches on the search feature.
It's horrible. Like every morning is a struggle. Like to get everybody invited to spaces now is like a hurdle. Used to be so easy. I don't know what happened. Brutal, man. Absolutely brutal.
Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3.
Close it up, man.
Close
it up. Close it up. Mission passed. We're back.
Oh, what was that fill right at the close on ES? Oh, it was just a ton of settling orders. What a boring day.
Yeah.
Who's reporting? Rubrik and
Adobe, Rubrik, Sentinel-1, Ulta, Lennar, WPM, Surfair.
Okay. Like I sat here all day for what? I mean, at this point, let's just go touch the 200 day. I don't know, chat. I'm tired, worn out from yesterday and traveling. The only thing in my system is this monster that's worn off a couple hours ago, at least. Oh, oil must be going higher. All right, I don't know. Does anyone actually care about these earnings?
No, I don't. It's the chat.
Felt good to be back, though.
Yeah, we're glad to have you back. I'm excited to have you here in Puerto Rico too. That's gonna be fun.
Yeah, I got to figure out the rest of my travel stuff.
We need to get some cervezas. It's Modelo time.
Yeah, or what's the Presidente? That's a good one. Or Medallia, that's the one.
Medallia.
Oh, is Will here?
Yeah.
Will,
What's up, boys?
what's up?
I was out. I was doing a little traveling today, but I just got back to my desk.
You're good. We're about to wrap it
Wrap
up,
up?
but
I was just seeing for the close. Another spicy day on Wall Street. Not
oh
good.
yeah.
Nowhere to hide.
That's,
There's nowhere to hide today.
CME just said if U.S. gets involved in oil futures, it'll be a biblical disaster.
Matt said I care about the state of Ryan's beard.
I think these rates going higher is not good. You got oil higher and rates higher. I mean, the 2-year just screaming higher. The 30-year. The 30-year is at a key level, actually. If we hold this, it could be okay. But how does oil not go higher from here? Unless they de-escalate it.
That's crazy. What's going on?
And then look at Blackstone today. Private credit, new lows.
Adobe's out.
Is it?
Oh. Well, it's an uncomparable. There we go. The first number that came out was some kind of adjusted number. Everybody reacted to that headline. It is a beat.
Bro,
Come on, Adobe. You beat. Flip it and reverse it. Also looks rough.
you know what looks really rough today? XLF. Breaking that trend line, that big one.
Rupert is up 5.5, back to where it opened the day.
Ripping.
Killing it.
Ulta Beauty. Oof.
Eee.
Nobody buying makeup today. The ladies aren't out.
Bing bong.
It's rough.
Ulta's fine though.
Yeah.
Dang. Guess what Polymarket's current status on when military action will it go through the 31st of March? 71% yes.
Damn.
Kind of makes sense, right?
Yeah.
Bad news is bad news now.
I'm getting out of here.
Yep, I'm starving. I've got some
Me
stuff
too. I
to
need to
catch
make
up
some
on.
food. All right, crew.
Lowe's.
Well, Will, good to see you.
Yeah,
Good
just
day
thought
here.
I'd stop in and say hi to everybody, and
Yeah. Good to
I'll
see
be
you,
around
man.
tomorrow.
Yeah, we'll see you tomorrow. FAFO Friday tomorrow. Close out the week. Hopefully close it out strong and have another great day. But everybody make sure you guys are liking the stream, subscribing to the channel. We'll be back tomorrow. No spaces tomorrow. Just all day stream. So get ready for it.